lovely people, in today's video I'm gonna be doing recreating Instagram makeup number 8. Whoa. So today I'm gonna be recreating a look by Sandy Hiralis. I probably don't pronounce her name right. I'm so sorry about that. I'm really trying, but I'm really bad at that. So I'm gonna have her Instagram name right here. Look how incredible stuff she does. Super talented, and I think that more people should know about her. I kind of feel bad because I'm gonna recreate a look that she posted, I think, over a year ago, and I'm feeling bad because I'm not gonna be recreating one of her recent looks, but I had that look saved in my Instagram, saved tab for a while, and I really wanted to recreate it, so today is the day. This right here is the look. It's so pretty. Summer is almost over, and this look kind of looks very summery, but at the same time it's a little bit dark and a little bit like sad, and I'm gonna call this look sad summer for some reason. I don't know why. Some of you may think that it looks more like a spring kind of look, but to me it's a little bit more dark, so that's why I'm calling it sad summer. Let's go ahead and jump right into the fun stuff, you guys. Okay, so I think that my bun is a little bit too messy for a messy bun. I don't know, I'm not really happy with it. Also, I'm wearing a really casual shirt because today's video is going to be a little bit more chill. We're gonna just play with some makeup. Let's go ahead and prime the eyes. I'll be using this Yayy concealer. It's in the shade Snow. It's a really light shade of concealer, so I'm gonna apply that just in my crease. I won't bring it on my eyelid yet because there is no need for it to be there at this point. Okay, and now go ahead and set it with this Maybelline Fit Me concealer powder. This will make the blending of the eyeshadows so much easier. So I'm just pressing that powder on top of that concealer. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, I'm not gonna be actually using the same products that she used. She created this look using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I don't know where is mine. I think that with the moving process from Bulgaria to Greece, I think that I left it in Bulgaria. I'm not sure, but I can't find it here, so I'm gonna use whatever I have. Oh, I almost dropped my phone. So instead, I'm gonna be using the Huda Beauty Obsessions palettes and this Obsession palette, and this is the orange one. I'll take the Sigma E27 and I'll pick this orangey shade. I'll place that right into my crease. She kind of have that really nice cut crease going on. What do I have here on my lashes? Okay, it's gone. So she has that really nice cut crease going on, so I'm gonna start off with it, and I really love the colors. Really nice warm shades in the crease, and then some cool toned eyeliner, and it's also smoked out winged eyeliner. I love smoked out winged eyeliners. So yeah, I think that this is pretty much enough with this orangey color. And see, I'm extending that eyeshadow towards the tail of my brow. Okay, so next up, with the same brush, I'll pick a little bit of a darker color. I'll take this nice brick shade and apply that lower in my crease, trying not to cover up that orangey shade that I already have on. Now I'm gonna switch to the MAC 217, taking again some of that first shadow, and I'll use it to blend everything out so that everything looks nice and smooth, no harsh lines. Add some more of that brick color and blending out again. Blend, 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 blend. So let's see the photo of the look again. I already have that orangey shade into my crease, and now I'll go ahead and cut that crease. This is probably the most satisfying part from the whole look. So let's not lose any time. Let's go ahead and do it. I'm taking again that Yayy concealer in the shade Snow. This is a really light shade of concealer. I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy watching me cutting that crease there. Now just go ahead and set that concealer in place with that same Maybelline Fit Me powder. Alright, I love it. Look how clean it looks. You guys probably think that this took me like 2 minutes to do, but it actually took me from 15 to 20 minutes. I know that this is a little bit too much, but I'm a perfectionist, unfortunately. I'm trying to make everything as perfect as possible, and sometimes it's not possible to make everything perfect. Oh, well said. But yeah, being a perfectionist, it's kind of frustrating most of the times, all the time. But what can you do? I'm trying to work on that. Not everything needs to be perfect. That's the truth, the reality. Oh my god, I need some color. Yes, that's it. Winged eyeliner, here I come. I'm gonna use something that it's really helpful for a smoked out winged eyeliner. Hold on, let me grab it. These shadow shields are miracle. So I don't need the whole thing. I'm actually going to cut one in half, like this. Somewhere here it should be. Okay, oh, I almost poked my eye. I'll use this blue eyeshadow from the Take Me Back to Brazil by BH Cosmetics. And I'm gonna do a winged eyeliner with it. I'm so excited and nervous for this step. Let's see how it goes. I'm not really happy with how it's coming out. I don't know, it's just not as saturated as I want it to be. Let me see if I can do something else on the other eye. I want to try out something different. See, that's what I'm talking about. See how nice and bright and pigmented the eyeliner on this eye came out. This one, it's kind of like, I don't know. It could definitely be better. I like this one a lot more. On this eye, I used a gel eyeliner by Ofra in the shade Stairway to Heaven, and it looks so much better. I extended it a little bit too much, but I can really easily correct that. Now let's see what I'm gonna do on this eye here. I kind of want to get rid of this shadow shield thing. Do you guys want to see me remove this and redo it? You probably do. You can't answer me, but you probably do. So okay, I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna fix it. Now I'm gonna take this NABLA eyeshadow in the shade Blue Velvet, and with an angled brush I'll add it just to the roots of my lashes so that I can darken it up a little bit. I can see that her eyeliner is not just one color, it's fading a little bit from dark blue to lighter one. So yeah, I'm gonna try to copy that as much as I can. I also added a pair of falsies I'm wearing. Let me find where is the packaging, because I don't know how they're called and I don't know where is the packaging. We've got a problem. Found it. These are the Milac false lashes in the style Freak of Nature. They were in this packaging. Now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the lower lash line. I will add some of that dark blue eyeshadow from NABLA just in the outer corner, and then along the rest of my lower lash line I'll add some of that orangey shade from that Huda Beauty palette. Time for the most exciting part of this look, the flowers. I'm so happy that Sandy added them to this look because it makes a huge difference. The look is already super pretty, but the flowers take it on another level. The flowers were actually the reason that I decided to recreate this look. I think that they add that really nice creative touch to this look. I'm gonna use an eyeliner by Ofra. This one here is called White Rabbit. It's just a white eyeliner. Take it on a small baby eyeliner brush and start creating those flowers on my eyes. I'm really terrified because I don't want to mess up this look, and I think that this is the part where I'm like, okay, if I get it right, I'm gonna be posting this video, but if I just mess it up, I'll have to remove all of this makeup and delete the video, which is such a pity because so far I think that it's turning out so nice. Here we go. I want you guys to see this video. I'm doing this for you. That's one leaf. And then the other one. And one more. Okay, I'm doing pretty well. I think, I believe, I wanna believe. So I should create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flowers. 6 flowers on the one eye. That's 12 in total. Oh my god, that's a lot of stress. And every flower has 5 leaves, so that's 60 leaves I need to draw. I know that that's not that big of a deal, but for me, right now it is, so bear with me. I got some of that white eyeliner on my fauces. Okay, now I'm gonna take these 3 gel eyeliners again by Ofra, and I'm gonna do the little dots in the center of the flowers. Okay, so that's pretty much all for the eye makeup. I'm absolutely loving it. Now let's go ahead and move on to the face makeup. I see that she has some freckles going on, and I think that freckles look so cute. However, every time I try drawing freckles on my face, they don't look as real as I want them to look, and that's really annoying because real freckles are so beautiful, like the natural that nature gives you. They look so pretty, but whenever I try drawing freckles on my face, it looks like I just drew some brown dots on my face, and it looks great in pictures, but in real life it's not like the real ones. I have some freckles, like natural freckles on my nose. There are like 2 of them. But every time I try drawing some freckles, it's kind of disappointing for me because I see them in pictures, they look so good, but in real life it's like, no. Nice try, but no. But yeah, maybe today I'm gonna change my mind, so I'm kind of excited for that. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, I don't know. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Brown Deep Pomade Gel. Take some of that on this little brush. Oh, hold on, no, not yet. I think that I should first do my bronzer and highlighter and all of that. So I'm gonna contour my face a little bit. I'm gonna use the Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder, and then for bronzer, my Benefit Hoola Light, and just bronze my face with it. For highlighter, I'll use my Natasha Denona Super Glow highlighter in the shade Fair. Can you imagine how nice it would be if you could just sleep in your makeup and wear the same look for like 5 days straight without your skin breaking out, and the makeup would just stay in place as you just put it on, nothing would smudge, or that would be so nice. I would stay in this look for like 2 months. That's how much I love it. No need to get ready in the morning. Ugh, that would be so nice. I'm waiting for that technology. I probably won't be alive for it, but I'm waiting for it. I still have hopes. Really hoping it would be sooner though. Next up, freckles. I'll start off by applying some on my nose. Oh, that's a big freckle. Okay, that's not bad. So I'm applying a few dots on my face like this, and then I just spread them with my finger before that gel dries, and see, they look so much more natural this way. I don't think that it's that bad. I actually kind of like it. I'm gonna apply this Melt Cosmetics All Day Everyday Ultra Matte Eyeliner in the shade Baked in my waterline, and also adding some highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. Okay, so all we have left is the lipstick. She's wearing a lipstick by Ofra. I don't have that particular shade, so I'm gonna use something by Huda Beauty. This is one of her matte lipsticks in the shade Anniversary. Alright, and this is our final look. I'm actually loving the freckles. What do you guys think? I think they look so cute on me. And I'm absolutely in love with this whole look. It's so pretty. I'm not gonna be using any setting spray because I'm gonna go to bed soon. It's pretty late at night and it's such a pity because I'm just gonna take some photos and take it off. I can't sleep with my makeup on. I've never done it and I don't think that it's a good idea to do it, but I wish I could. I wish I could wake up tomorrow with this look on my face, but I'm gonna remember it from this video and from the photos that I'm gonna take. But I wanna thank Sandy so much for inspiring me to recreate this look. Sandy, if you ever watch this video, keep up the good work. Again, guys, definitely go and follow her on her Instagram. I'm gonna have her name right here, and also a link to her Instagram page is going to be down in the description box, so definitely go follow her, check out her work. Such a stunning look. I'm so happy with how it came out. Her flowers were a little bit smaller than mine, and I think that it's better for the flowers to be smaller, but all in all, I'm happy with this recreation. I really like it. What do you guys think? Let me guys know if you want to see more makeup tutorials where I include some fake freckles. Obviously, I'm still trying to figure out how to make them look as real as possible, but I think that I'm gonna get there at some point. I like this Deep Brow Anastasia Beverly Hills gel. I think that they look a lot more realistic than just drawing them with an eyebrow pencil. I really think that I'm gonna find a way to make them look really realistic. So yeah, let me know if you want to see more looks with fake freckles because I like them. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video now. If you guys enjoyed watching it, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that bell button which is right next to the subscribe button, because if you do, you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. You can also find me on my Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, all of the links down in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye!